Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And it's a Saturday evening, a bit later on a Saturday evening, and it's actually quite nice out. Small bit cold but quite nice out. So today I'm back doing the Road Adventures 2023, and the 10 pointer is a stadium. So the RSC I'll be going to later on to get a picture. That's the 10 pointer for this month, which is fantastic. Great way to start. And the first part we're going to go for is a Masonic Hall. If you've ever heard of that before, well, fair play, because I've never heard of it until now. And it's a Freemasons Hall, so the Freemasons meet up there. I don't know what they do. I always thought they were like a secret agency, secret group and stuff like that. So I'm really amazed to see so many Masonic Halls around the country, and they're for the public to see as well, so it's not like it's a hidden place. Well, some of them are in little hidden places, but it has the name on the door, has the symbol and all that kind of stuff, which I find very fascinating. Also, all the different points as well are really interesting, so thanks very much Air for that. It's just fantastic. So I'm going to put up the list there on the screen, and you can have a look at yourself for some of the points. Well, for this month anyway, but for all the months there'll be different places. If you haven't known what this is about before, you will go to a different place to get a picture with our bike, and we get points for it. So this month or this year, it's like broken road signs and all this kind of mad crack. So it's going to be fascinating. And wheels, but they can't be motorised, so there can be like a wheel on a boat, or you know, a wheelhouse on a boat, stuff like that. So like I said, I showed you the list there anyway, but first of all, into the water side and let's find the Masonic Hall. I think it's fitting to start off with the Freemasons, because I'm going to be talking a lot about them. I'm going to do some research on them, see what the crack is with them and all that kind of stuff. So over the next couple of months we find out what they do. Maybe we might get to meet one. So here's the Masonic Hall in here, right beside the dentist. Hopefully there'll be no Freemasons around the country wondering why we're getting pictures with them. I don't know what to do, so it could be friendly or whatever, I don't know. But the trick is to get a picture now. I'll get that down. That's cool, isn't it? I'm gonna get a picture first. A blue door for the blue Bonnie. Gonna make sure I got the picture right anyway. Yeah. 5 points in the bag. 40 years or more, obviously. I'm living here and I've never known about this hall. Actually, never known about the dentist really. I think I've seen the dentist once, maybe there. But yeah, I've never seen Masonic Hall, so that's kind of cool. Let's have a little look at the door. The door ain't different on it. Oh look, they have the symbol on the door as well. Okay, out to Tramore now. Gate Lodge. Gate Lodge is the point. So let's go out to Tramore. Oh, old style lamps. Nice. Hopefully the cops don't come over and arrest me now. There's loads of guards over there, so if I was illegally parked they could come over and get me. I think they're busy with other stuff though, to be fair. just up here on the right should be a gate lodge. If I'm thinking of the right one. I think there's one on the other back road, but I think the gate lodge is here. Somewhere close. Yeah, there. There it is over there, look. It's the gate lodge there. So I'm going to swing around and get a picture there. Just back here now. I'm going to get the history of gate lodges as well. I want to know what the history is behind them, why they're called gate lodges, what they were used for, and all this kind of crack as well. It's getting redone actually. It's cool. That's gate lodge done. I think there's one over the far side as well. We'll have a look at there next month. Look at there. And I found one in Ballinakill today actually when I was out walking. So yeah, gate lodges everywhere. But like I said, I'd find out the history of that, and we'll go through it someday, or I'll pop it up on the screen there now. But we'll learn about them some stage anyway. Back down to the RSC now, get the stadium in, and then we'll retire for the night. We'll go home, we'll have a beer, we'll chill out. It's actually looking like it's going to rain now, so I'm actually going to go for a little spin up the road up here and just get a little stretch on the bike before we take her in.